Hey yo people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got unlimited DramaBox coins absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any Mod APKs or any software, guys. You can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. And for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called appsnake.com. You will find it easily. And then let's search down below for DramaBox. Click there, guys. To load up, and then we'll have to enter our DramaBox user ID. I have already copied it, guys. If you don't know how to find it, just click here how to find it. It's pretty simple. Go to my profile and just copy your user ID. Click continue. It will start searching for our user account and you should get this message, user found. So there we go. Now we'll select our desired amount of our coins. I will select currently the maximum, it's 1 million. Click continue, and third step will load up and API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all this kind of reviews and tutorials, because I will record it more. So let's wait for this third step, guys, and let's see is it actually working. So nice, guys, API is connected, our user account is connected, and now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we'll get. So there we go, guys. Look at this. Thank you for passing the bot check. Coins are on the way. And the last step is to open our DramaBox and to see is it actually working. So I'm going to my profile and look at this, guys. We're actually receiving our DramaBox coins for free. I'm so excited because it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, appsnake.com was the only working one. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.